This is a rocket boor puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Ali Morris and made by two brass monkeys. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to take it apart and reassemble it again. If you like the rocket boor puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. The rocket boor puzzle is a Japanese kumiki puzzle, but with a little bit of a twist. A small metal rod was added into the puzzle and it made the puzzle a little bit more difficult. So how to solve the puzzle? You start by pushing this piece. You can push it from this side, as you can see. Then you move this metal part up. It feels like you are pumping the oil out of the ground. So you put it up. Then you push this piece a little bit more. Put the metal piece down. Then you push this piece a little bit more. Then you push the metal part up. And you continue doing so again and again until you will be able to remove this part. But here is a twist. You can continue pushing the metal part and removing this piece, but you will end up in a dead end. So what you have to do here now is to move this piece all the way back like that, and then keep moving it until you will be able to remove this metal part. And now you can remove this middle piece. And the rest will be quite easy. Just remove this part. Then you can remove these parts. And then you can remove this piece. And the rest of the parts will fall apart. And that is how you solve the rocket boor puzzle. That was the solution of the rocket boor puzzle. Now try to assemble everything back together. It won't be as difficult since you saw how to take it apart. If you like this puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.